It's a new revolution which is happening, and India has taken a very good lead in these areas. India is progressing, and this is giving Atmanirbhar Bharat की ओर चल रहा है इसमें. We don't have to depend. Huge, and India has taken a very major lead in that. Compared to Brazil, these are advanced techniques. India is quite ahead compared to others. Government has declared by next year it will be 1% blending, 2%, 5%. Like that, they will increase the blending of aviation fuel. That is another development, and new international policy is coming out. So government has declared by next year it will be 1% blending, 2%, 5%. Like that, they will increase the blending of aviation fuels. Apart from this, there is a requirement or co-production use for bitumen, for example, can be replaced by this bio-bitumen. So these are all renewable sources, generally are called bio sources. And I'm sure the country and the new generation get benefited because of its use. Biogas is another thing which has started, and biogas is also can be used for city distribution or for replacing blending with CNG. CNG vehicle काफी है, उसके बाद ये CBG, इसको CBG बोलते हैं, compressed biogas, वो भी blend कर सकते हैं. So like that on multiple fronts, we have got applications for bio. It's a new revolution which is happening, and India has taken a very good lead in these areas. India is progressing, and this is giving Atmanirbhar Bharat की ओर चल रहा है इसमें. We don't have to depend on the imported oil. You know, India is importing 85% oil, which is not required in this case.
Sir, E20 is rolled out,
E20 is already rolled out, is achieved. We started with 2%, and now last 5-6 years, with the push, it has got reached 20% level. Now we're waiting for the next level of percentage blending.
Is it E27 or E30?
नहीं, अभी तक डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ है. We are waiting for that. But it can go 25, 27, 30. It can increase to the levels, different levels. Isobutanol to diesel is bio-based. See, again, so that work, my company, we are doing it as a Praj, and we are joining hands with ARI and BPCL to test the vehicle. Unless there is a testing, rigorous testing, nobody wants to introduce that. So there is a good development happening on biodiesel or IBA, isobutanol.
So the minister was speaking about flex machines, flex engines.
Flex engine, yeah. Flex engine is catching up in India now. You've seen Toyota is introduced that. So it's a mixture of alcohol and this ethanol. So ethanol and petrol, and is also flexible with the electricity. So it is a combination. It's a hybrid. They call it hybrid. You've seen the vehicles on the road. Hybrid. So it can partly run on this, partly on that.
So are they used in Brazil as well? Because Brazil is running in, they are using heavy ethanol usage.
Yes. In fact, now slowly we'll go ahead, or we'll fast forward with respect to Brazil. You'll have a variety of developments.
So do you think to use ethanol in a proper quantity, we should go or transit to ethanol flex engines?
Yeah, that's what we are talking about. That it will ultimately go to flex engine with the help of ethanol. There are few vehicles are there just now. They are developing it, and then we also go to the stationary engines, the engines which are giving power to the towers, mobile towers. There's DG sets. So many such things are now being talked to with the help of ethanol. And with this biodiesel or bio alcohol, isobutanol, we'll have many more applications.
Sir, there was a conversation on Parali, the stubble burning.
Yeah.
So what's the update on that in bioenergy sector?
Parali, the first plant is set up in Panipat. It is now under full validation. By year end, it will be, I think, completely completed that. And there are two more plants, one in Bathinda and one more in Bargarh in Orissa is coming up. So that is happening on the Parali.
So do you think that will reduce the problem of pollution?
Yeah, in Delhi, everywhere. But ultimately those winds come to the Delhi, and we hope that it will completely solve the problem.
But that will be operational from next year or this year?
No, it is already under testing, you can say. So fully operational maybe by March or so, year end.
Okay, if you want to wrap up this bioenergy summit and the support from the government or the challenges, how could you?
Well, we have brought to the notice of the government for higher blend is possible, which we are awaiting like you say, 25 or 27. That we are still awaiting that announcement. Because a lot of farmers are engaged in this, so the production capacity has to go up. And they are looking forward to that. And farmers get benefited because they are able to sell the agri products. So that is the help which we want from the government.
So you were saying that 50 million agricultural waste is there in the country, and,
Yeah.
and it could be converted into the bioenergy. So what's the potential?
Oh, huge. And India has taken a very major lead in that. Compared to Brazil, these are the advanced techniques. India is quite ahead compared to others.